So this is just a quick video of something that I got in the mail yesterday, which was our Canadian Thanksgiving. So I was very, very thankful for these items, and it was such a nice surprise. I'd done an online workshop with Jeff Olsen through Opus Art Supplies in BC, and even though I'm here in Hamilton, Ontario, it was really great that people from all over could still do the workshop. So Jeff is representative of Royal Talens, so that includes the Rembrandt line and the Van Gogh line. And he gave a history of watercolor and pastels, and there was a little quiz at the end. Plus he did a demo for some of their new colors, like this interference blue, which really shows up on black paper, and that's what I got here. So I answered all the questions on the quiz right, and they sent out this nice little package. So it came with black watercolor postcards, 25 sheets. I haven't even opened it yet. It's a block. Well, it wouldn't be a block, it's just 25 sheets. And yeah, that'd be great. And as I said before, there's interference blue, and also got a deep gold. I happen to have, I just bought a half pan of the deep gold, but it's nice to have the tube. And then I've never used Rembrandt soft pastels, so I'm really looking forward to trying these out. And this is really, they couldn't have picked a better palette for me. I love all these colors. This is their desert palette, so they have them in different color themes, but you can also buy I believe all the, like, let's say orange, you get all the hues and tints and everything. So yeah, so that was a really, really sweet gift from Royal Talens. There's 10 half sticks in this alone, and all this together makes really, really interesting package. Part of Jeff's demo was showing how you can layer up watercolor and pastel in a mixed media work, and also use pastel as if it was watercolor. So yeah, I've been doing that for a while now too, but I just, like, I don't believe I have anything like this color-wise, so really, really nice. Thank you, Royal Talens and Opus Art.